Hi, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at the FX Ace, and welcome to my Forex market watch list for the 22nd of October 2025. In this video, we're just going to break down some of my trade setups for the session ahead and what I think may play out in today's markets. So let's get into it. If you want to get access to all my free trade setups for the day ahead, simply join the Telegram group in the description area of this video. So first off, we're going to look at is my kind of volatility scanner, just seeing kind of tell me what's been happening in the Asian session. You can see here the yen pairs have been very strong, but looking at across the lower time frames, kind of from the 5 minute all the way up to the 1 hour, we could see a pullback at some stage today. Although I do think we may get an initial pop up early in the session, followed by retracement after the first hour or so. So we'll look at some of those trade ideas in a minute. Also, the Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar pairs have been very weak today, dropping heavily, and expect maybe a pullback in those pairs also. So let's head over to the first off, look at my actual trade setups for today. And these are some of the setups I'm looking at. So as always, we're going to start at kind of look at the euro. See what the euro is doing. Just move this. Euro. Yesterday's trade idea was looking for a reaction at 116. We did get the drop down to 116 as expected. It stalled at that level. Today I am expecting maybe further weakness down towards this zone on the chart here. So what I want to see today is the market, the euro, to drop. Okay, drop down into this level here. I'm looking to buy at around 115,600 and looking for a retracement back up. On the euro, kind of price action you want to see coming into this area on the lower time frames is something exactly what happened yesterday. We get the drop down in towards 116, and you get the sideways movement and then the rally up. For some reason it didn't hold those lines. So zoom into the 15. What I want to see is some euro weakness down into this level here, something like this, and rallying up. Another setup that we looked at yesterday was the EURJPY. We'll look at some of these EURJPY positions in this. Okay, we're getting a sell off now. Yesterday, we looked to sell this at 176,600 in yesterday's market watch list. You can see as soon as it really hit this level, hit 176,600 to the pip, and then we got nearly 100 pip sell off from there. Today, if we look at the daily chart, again, this pair is very strong. JPY pairs are very strong, struggling to break above this moving average. So if we do get a new rally in this, I expected to break yesterday's high and move up towards 177, which is kind of a Fibonacci retracement level of yeah, that was the 176 from yesterday. Sorry about that. Yeah. So I'm looking just to sell up here, just in the 4 hour chart. I want to see the price market breakout through yesterday's high and move up towards 177. We can see we've got a bit of a resistance there, so I expect some sort of reaction at 177. And yeah, then a sell off again there today. So EURJPY looking to sell British pound JPY was another one from yesterday. Let's see what's happening with it today. Okay. So yesterday's trade idea was to sell this at this resistance here, 203,500. And see, we came right up to that level yesterday and sold off. And the pound looks to be selling off in this session, start of the European session. And yeah, I'm looking to sell out at 203.9 today. I don't think we'll actually get up that far today. So I'll probably look to sell this again at 203. I'll update the spreadsheet, just given the sell-off on the open. What else could we look at? USD JPY. Okay. Again, strong. If we look at the daily, we've actually come up in we're looking to sell this up above yesterday's high in around this zone here. On the daily chart, if we look at the 4-hour, 152,500, looking to sell it. Again, just want to see the market pop up above yesterday's high into this zone, 152,500, then sell this on the way down for today. We will see. I'll reanalyze these coming into the US session, but this is what I'm looking to trade in the European session. We can already see from this beginning of this video that the yen pairs have sold off coming into the start of the European session. So we'll see what happens as this session progresses. So that's a trade setup I'm looking for. If you want to get access to all these setups absolutely free, plus live updates, join the free Telegram group below, and I shall see you on another market watch list video tomorrow. Have a great day.